Hello everyone. Doing a home pregnancy test might look very easy, but some women still make errors. Why? So today we are going to do a step-by-step process on how you can do your pregnancy test. If you want to do your pregnancy test, assuming you know the right time to do a pregnancy test, you can follow these steps. This is Talk Pregnancy with Dr. Noella, where we tell you all about pregnancy and other women related health issues. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to click on the subscription button and also the notification bell. And those who have subscribed before, thank you very much. Let's dive right in. Step 1, to purchase a pregnancy strip in a pharmacy. The type that you purchase does not matter. Most of the times they give you the same results and it measures just the same thing. That's the beta human chorionic gonadotropin hormone, which is the hormone produced during pregnancy. So the test strip that you buy does not matter. So anyone that you buy, you take it. Step 2 is read the instructions on the leaflet. Then you know which one, what it says when it's positive and what it says when it's negative or invalid. Once you have read the leaflet, you make sure that it is sealed. You check the expiring dates. Here our own is expiring in 2024. Now we are in 2023. So this one expires in 2024. So we are ready to take the test. Now we have our pregnancy strip. Here we have the one with the lines. Here, if you can see, we have the ones with the lines where you see it. If it's positive, we have 2 lines, and if it's negative, we have 1 line. This is the strip we are going to be using today. But there are other strips which might just show a plus, or it might just show pos, that's POS, positive, showing it's positive, or neg if it's negative. Secondly, one thing you should not miss out is if you had a pregnancy strip in the house and you want to do a pregnancy test, it's good to buy a new one, because the ones which are in the house, maybe it has been exposed, maybe water might have touched it, it has been exposed to sunlight, and maybe the results might not be accurate. Step 3 now is take your time and breathe and prepare to take the test. It's very important to prepare to take the test, because taking the test, you might be so very anxious about it, especially those who really want the test to be positive. Now we go to step 4. This is when you want to do the pregnancy test. You urinate in a plastic cup. This is our urine in a plastic container. It's good to put at least a good quantity, and it's good you use the early morning urine because it is concentrated, where the level of beta HCG can easily be read. You urinate in a plastic cup. Here will not be, you're doing it at home, so we will not say use the gloves or all that, because it's your urine and you're doing it just maybe in your bathroom. For example, most of the times people, you do it in your bathroom. So once you just urinate, you put it in your plastic cup and you put it on a flat surface. Now you take your pregnancy strip. Here, these are the lines where you have to open it. So you open, you take your strip. Yeah, so this is a strip. They are showing here, if you see clearly on this, is showing where the maximum should be, where this, where you put the absorbent part of the strip inside the urine, and make sure it doesn't cross the maximum line, because if it crosses, your results might be faulty. So once you insert it, there are other strips which might show where you might need to use a pipette. Instead of putting the strip into the urine, you instead use the pipette and you take the sample of the urine and put on the strip. So depending on that, like I said, read the instructions of each strip. Now we put it into the urine, and we're making sure that the part which has to show the result is up. This way it has to be, and we put it inside, and we make sure that we don't cross the maximum line. Once we know it has absorbed, we remove. If you take a look, you see that it is increasing. It is increasing. It is increasing. You see it's growing, it's reading. So we put it on a flat surface. Now when you put it on this flat surface, you don't sit and you're looking at it until it actually shows the line. No. And as it's growing, you go and you do something. Don't stand and be looking at it. Go around, you can make a cup of coffee, because you might be so anxious and you read it maybe early and maybe the results might be faulty. So step 5, wait for 5 to 10 minutes before checking the results. So the strip shows just one line. If we go now to our booklet containing the strip, one line means negative. If there are 2 lines, you're going to know that it's positive. Sometimes if it's faint, consider it positive, because before it's positive, it means that it has read the level of beta hcg in it, so you might be pregnant. So if it's positive, or if it shows a faint line, you book a consultation with your doctor immediately, and you go and consult and follow up your pregnancy. Everyone, this is how you do a pregnancy test. So if this was helpful to you, don't forget to give a thumbs up to our video, and don't forget to share to other women out there. If you want to have a private chat with me, or you want to consult, you can download the Hospital app using the link below, and you can consult me either through a video call or an audio call. Thank you very much, and God bless you.